Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. And to my old subscribers, you're welcome. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing my videos. I'm so grateful, thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to achieve a bouncy coil without using any electric coiling wand. First of all, you're going to be needing your magnetic rollers. Secondly, you need your Hawaiian silky conditioner. The essence of this conditioner is to retain coils and also make the hair soft. Third, you need your above ultra hold styling mousse. The essence of this mousse is to make the hair more voluminous and to give it an extra hold so that your coils will not loosen immediately. So that's the essence of this styling mousse and it's very important. So I start by wetting my hair. After wetting my hair, I'll come back the section that I want to work with. Add a little water using my spray bottle. Add my conditioner and the above styling mousse. Then I'll use my plastic rollers, my magnetic rollers to roll it upwards. And at the end, you secure it with pins. Secure it with your pins. After securing it with my pin, then I continue the rest like this. After then, I allowed it to dry. You can air dry it or you leave it under the sun. I'll be dropping a part 2 of this video where I unravel the coils and how bouncy the coils are looking like. If you watched to this extent, please kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.